moving on to the last topic, last known topic in the EOT. The 23rd topic is to find projections of vectors. Now, before we start the topic, projection is basically like a shadow. So it is very important to know which is projected onto what. So now imagine this is vector u. The shadow of this onto v. That means imagine this is the shadow and this is the projected vector. It's just for understanding, like you can remember it's like a shadow. This is vector v. So now the formula varies, depends on what is projected onto what. So the formula is very simple. This is the projection of vector u onto v. So projection of u onto v will be u dot product v divided by magnitude v the whole square multiplied the entire thing with v. So now if at all it was v onto u, if the vector v was projected onto the vector u, then this would change. Obviously this would remain same dot product, because v dot product u and u dot product is the same thing, and over here it would be u and u. So please remember what is projected onto what. Now, so here the projections, the vectors are given. So the dot product of these two vectors would be 3 times phi, that would be 15. So this is 3 times phi plus 2 times negative phi, that would be minus 10. And the magnitude over here, so it is square root of phi square is 25 minus phi the whole square also will be 25 plus 25, and then you need to remove it'll be the whole power 2, and then you're multiplying it with phi and negative phi. So over here the answer would be phi divided by square root and square cancels off, you'll be having 50 over here, and this is basically 1 by 10. So I'll just write 1 by 10 multiplied with phi and minus phi. So when you multiply this inside, it'll be phi by 10, that is 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. This would be the projection of v onto u. Let's just see one by one. It is half and negative half. Now the problem is not over. This is the projection, yes, fine. But they have also asked one more thing, that is write u as the sum of two orthogonal vectors. Always remember, when there is a projection, you can orthogonal vector means two dot products, two vectors whose dot product is 0. That means it's 90 degree. Orthogonal other thing is 90 degree. So this is the projection. You can see this is the projection w1. Now you need to find another vector which is 90 degree, like straight one over here, see, like this, which touches u at 90 degree. So you need to write it as sum of this and this. The good thing is, see, since we need to find w2 and write w1 plus w2 is u. So we need to find the orthogonal one, I mean the sum of these two orthogonal ones. So u would be equal to w1 and w2 because it is 90 over here. Now we know what is u vector given. We just now found w1, that is the projection, okay? What is w2? That would be the u minus the projection. So because u is w1 plus w2, just take w1 to the other side, it'll be minus, and now all you're doing is solving it up. So u 3 minus 3 comma 2 would be subtract half and minus half of here. So it'd be 5 by 2, that's 2.5, and minus minus becomes plus over here for the next one, so it'll be 2.5. 2.5 is written as 5 by 2. So now we got w1, that is projection, w2. These two are orthogonal. Over here you can see the 90 degree, so write them as the sum. That's it. So this plus this would be the answer. So u in terms of sum of two orthogonal vectors would mean this is the answer. That's it. So it is pretty straightforward. You can try other problems as well. You can try many, say over here the same thing, they asked projection of u onto v and write it as the sum of two orthogonal vectors. So same thing is followed, And finally, you will have to write U in terms of two orthogonal vectors, that's W1 and W2. Please do it by yourself and then check the answers. All the answers and solutions are over here. So just make sure to find W1, that's a projection, W2, and then write it as the sum. So it's pretty straightforward. That's the thing. We have come to the end of these revision videos. There are two more topics which can be any of the topics from whatever was taught in the term 2. These are bonus questions. They're not undisclosed. They'll be in writing. Now, when you study all these topics, I'm sure you will be you will be understanding how to solve the bonus questions as well. Try your best. Don't leave it. Just try on whatever you have studied, all the 3 lessons. The basic understanding, you will be thorough with it. So try your best and solve the other 2 bonus questions as well. I wish you all the best, and I hope you find the exam very easy. And I hope these revision videos are helpful to you guys. Take care and all the best for your exams.